All right, today we're gonna learn how to paint this beans on toast. So the question of the day is, how did the American Indian plant beans? Alright, let's run through the colors. Early red, twin red, red oxide, raw sienna, cadmium yellow, midnight brown, twin blue, ultramarine blue, vanilla green, titanium white, Mars black. Alright, today we're going to paint English painting 4. Alright, today we're going to paint beans on toast in English classic. Got in that nice kind of magenta color in here, as well as kind of a tan background. It doesn't stand out so well here. I got to make that probably a little bit more orange, so I might change up the color there. And we're going to darken those colors, touch up the bread, and then basically leave the beans as, yeah, real pain in the ass to redo that. I might add a little bit of highlights because it doesn't look like there's any highlights in this particular one, so we'll do that and we'll see where it goes from there. So the question was about American Indians planting beans. Obviously it sounds pretty simple. You plant it in rows, but that's how the Europeans did it. The way the American Indians did it was quite clever. They cross-cultivated. So they plant maize, which is corn, sweet corn or hard corn, depending if you're using for animals or humans. And around each stalk you would plant the beans. So the beans would actually snake around the corn stalk. So you'd have corn growing, but at the same time, the corn didn't really need the whole stalk. They got all their nutrients higher up in the stalks of the corn plant, so the bottom layers could be used for the bean plants to actually kind of snake their way up, grow more beans, and you grew the crops together. And that's how the American Indians cultivated the beans in America. All right, we just finished the paint. Let's take a closer look. So we kind of changed up the orange, make it more of a really orange so that it stands out against the bread and beans and toast. We added a darker red. I didn't add the yellow highlights, so it doesn't look as good as probably the other ones for the beans, but it kind of looks like it's blended in a way, so either way is kind of correct in a way. Kind of looks like throw up. But beans look like throw up, right? Like you just vomit at her. I just had beans. Anyway, I hope you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And if you want to see the full version, check my Patreon account. See you in the next painting, guys.